Bonjour. Today we are going to deal with the topic demonstrative adjectives in French. First, let's see what are demonstrative adjectives and its usage. Demonstrative adjectives are used to refer to a specific noun or nouns among a larger group. That means demonstrative adjectives are used to specify about what you are talking. The demonstrative adjectives in English are this, that, these and those. So, correspondingly in French you have 4 demonstrative adjectives, and in French the demonstrative adjectives should agree in number and gender with the noun that it qualifies. Number means singular or plural, gender means masculine or feminine. Let's see which are the demonstrative adjectives in French. Les adjectifs démonstratifs en français sont. The demonstrative adjectives in French are ce, cet and c'est. Among these, first one, ce, is used with masculine singular nouns starting with consonants, and cet, cet, is used with masculine singular nouns starting with vowels and semi-vowels, and cette, cet, is used with feminine singular nouns starting with consonants, vowels and semi-vowels. And the last one, ces, say, is used with masculine and feminine plural nouns. So, among these demonstrative adjectives, you have to be very careful when it comes to the masculine nouns, because if a noun is masculine, then you have to see whether it is starting with a consonant or a vowel or a semi-vowel. If it is starting with a consonant, then you have to use ce. And if a masculine noun is starting with a vowel or semi-vowel, then you have to use cet. When it comes to feminine nouns, whether it is starting with consonant, vowel or semi-vowel, if feminine noun and if it is feminine singular noun, then you have to add cet, cette. So, here you have to be very careful with the usage of these ce, cet and cette. And finally, ces, say, is used with plural nouns. Whether the noun is a masculine noun or a feminine noun, it does not matter. If the noun is plural, then you have to add say, ces. Now, let us see some examples. Say livre. Livre is a masculine noun. It is starting with a consonant. So, you are using ce livre and its meaning is this or that book. So, this or that, it depends on the context in which you are speaking. So, ce livre means this or that book. Cet appartement. Appartement is a masculine noun, but it is starting with a vowel. So, you are using cet. Cet appartement, this or that apartment. Then voiture. Voiture is a feminine noun in French. So, you are using cette. Cette voiture, this or that car. École is again a feminine noun in French, and that's why you are using cette. Cette. Cette école, this or that school. So, I have given you 2 examples here for feminine, because I wanted to show that whether if it is a feminine noun, whether it starts with a consonant or whether it is starting with a vowel, you have to use cet, cette. And finally, the plural one, ces livres, these or those books. Ces appartements, these or those apartments. Ces voitures, these or those cars. Ces écoles, these or those schools. Now, let us see more examples in the form of an exercise. Complétez avec les adjectifs démonstratifs. Complete with the demonstrative adjectives. Look at the first sentence. Regardez ces hommes. Homme means men, and it is a masculine noun, but it is plural there. So, you are using ces hommes. Regardez ces hommes means look at these or those men. Second one, ce monument est très beau. Monument is a masculine noun. It is starting with a consonant. So, you are using ce. Ce monument est très beau. This monument is very beautiful. Cette fille est intelligente. Cette fille est intelligente. Fille is a feminine noun and you are using cette. Cette. Cette fille est intelligente means this or that girl is intelligent. Je parle à cet étudiant. So, étudiant is a masculine noun. It is starting with a vowel. So, you are using cet. Je parle à cet étudiant means I am speaking to this student. Il aime ce film. Film is again a masculine noun in French. So you are using ce, ce, masculine noun, and it is starting with a consonant. So you are using ce. Il aime ce film means he likes this or that film. I hope you are clear with the demonstrative adjectives and its usage in French. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Bonne continuation.